In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pro gallery to your website and enable both the scrollable and slider modes. We'll not only upload images into your gallery, but also guide you through the publishing process to make your gallery live for your viewers. So let's dive right in. Firstly, we need to add the pro gallery to your page. To do this, navigate to the section of your site where you wish the gallery to appear. Locate the Add button, often indicated by a plus sign on most website builders, and click it to open the list of elements you can add to your page. From this list, choose Gallery, and then select Pro Gallery from the options provided. Place this newly added element on your page by clicking and dragging it to the desired position. This will be the foundation of your gallery, ready to be customized and filled with your beautiful images. Next, we'll enable scrollable or slider mode to enhance the viewing experience. These modes provide a sleek, interactive way for visitors to view your gallery. Click on the gallery, which will prompt the gallery settings or options panel to appear. Within this menu, you'll find multiple display options. Choose either the scrollable mode or the slider mode depending on your design preference and the kind of interaction you'd like to offer to your website visitors. Scrollable mode will allow users to scroll through images smoothly, while slider mode will offer a more traditional left and right click-through experience. Adjust the settings as necessary. These might include transitions, navigation arrows, and indicators to further customize user interaction. Once the display mode is set, it's time to upload your images. Go ahead and click the Upload button, which is typically found within the same settings panel. This will open a dialog box prompting you to select the images from your computer. Choose the images you want to showcase and make sure they're high quality to ensure a professional and visually appealing gallery. Take note that you can drag and drop images directly into the gallery if your site editor allows for it, saving you a little extra time and effort. Once uploaded, you may wish to rearrange the images or edit their details and titles for SEO purposes. Finally, to make all these changes visible on your live website, you must publish your project. Look for the Publish button on your website editor, often located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click it, and after a few moments, your site will refresh, showcasing your new Pro Gallery that viewers can now scroll through or slide across depending on the mode you selected. And there you have it. You've successfully added a pro gallery to your site, enabled its interactive features, uploaded stunning images, and published them for all to see. Your website is now equipped with an engaging, visually rich gallery